mate. Megates as usual. Hello, Mina-san. Hey, it's been a while. Mina-san. It's been a while since I've last revisited stream. It's me, Xiaomi no desu. This is actually gonna be like the first stream after my rebrand. No, don't worry, we're still gonna debut on something, but we're just gonna revisit stream, you know? Just a little sidetrack, you know? Anyways, how is everyone? Namiss ko dito sino? Hayop ka, Gar, manahimik ka. Sino ka rin? Sino ka, Fuka? Are you new here? Are you new here, Fuka? So yeah, today we'll be just we'll be collabing with Vincent and with Fuka here. Yeah, this Kalbo right over here. Si Kalbo Yeshua. Yeah, we'll be tier listing Honkai Star Rail waifus and husbandos. I'll mostly be tier listing waifus mostly. Anyways, okay, the Creator Sun. Creator Sun is still here. She's still alive. Don't worry, Gar. What the fuck? It's like you don't know me. It's me, Cheshi. You little shit. Anyways, yeah, we'll be just reviewing and tier listing waifus, and you know, I don't know much about Honkai. I planned to like play the game before because it was part of my Donathon. It was the goal for that was reached, but let's just say we'll get that time once we come back to streaming. Once we come back to streaming, I guess. So yeah. Be quiet, Gar. Manahimik ka, kakalbuin kita lalo. So yeah, basically we'll be tier listing. The only character I know there in Honkai is Kafka. So yeah, I only know her. I only know mommies. Anyways, let's jump on to BC then. Let's see what Vince and Gar is up to. Oi, Gar, your music, your music. I will strangle you if you get my stream ban. I'm gonna jump in na. Lower down your music. Trust me. Sige ka, I won't stream for life. Okay. Alright, I'm here. So,
Who you? Why are you here?
manahimik ka, Gar. Ay, nako.
What is your name? Show my rice.
Ay, nako. Shark rice ka naman, ha?
Shumirai. Okay.
Ay.
Muntikan na ako lang niya ako. Yung naka-timer pa.
Ay. Ayan.
You said,
Wait, minutes pa naman eh.
yo, what's up, banda people? I'm Garius. Garius.
Ay.
Mafuka. Yes, na pala, guys. I'm gonna
Oh!
do,
Tanda mo na lang yan. May 3 minutes pa tayo.
Okay.
we're gonna do a fucking, I don't know what to do. I don't know.
Ano?
I don't know what to do. I don't know what the thing called. If a called a piece of shit.
Piece of
So,
shit.
yeah.
Gago. Ay, teka, hindi lumilitaw yung chat ko tuloy. Hindi lumilitaw chat ko. Putik na yan. Scoff at the start.
Sino may kasalanan?
May type naman. Ito commute naman lahat eh.
Sige. Hindi, ayusin ko lang.
What's up, banda people?
Gagi, hindi lumilitaw chat ko. What the fuck is happening, man?
Wait, let me do a deep voice. Yo, white cake, 1, 2, 3.
What the
Tenga
fuck?
akong sakit.
I think 1, 2, 3, guys.
Kinakain nga. Lagi niya kinakain yung mic. Masanay ka din dyan. Ay,
guys,
Diyos ko.
Ang taas pala ng gain ko, kaya naman pala.
Kailangan mo naman kasi.
Yo, what's up, man? And this is DJ Garya. So today we're gonna do...
DJ ang putik.
Yung DJ na, no?
Ay, naku.
Ang stream ko dyan ka pala eh. Di, may pala ako mag-knock sa'yo.
Hmm?
Knock knock. Who's
Ah,
there?
Yan.
Bakit? Are you're gonna play Starrel? What the hell?
Oh, shit. Oh, alerts? Was it alerts?
Share screen.
What the fuck is happening with my chat right now? My chat is not popping up on my stream.
Oh,
What the
sorry,
fuck is that?
I accidentally played some music.
I thought it was a cow, a demon cow.
I was gonna shut down my laptop and I play the music.
God damn.
Okay guys, I'm gonna attack at the Clash of Clan for now while waiting.
1 minute na lang, maayos ka.
I'm gonna attack Clash of Clan. I'm gonna attack Creator Sunbase.
Oh, god damn it, Core.
I'm gonna find. Okay, time to attack the base. Who's I'm gonna attack?
Who are you attacking? Attack yourself.
I'm gonna find your base.
Attack yourself.
No, I don't know what
Turn-
to attack.
Turn your rank into wood.
My rank is very very good, you know. I don't not good. I'm very good person, you know.
Tagalog ka na nga lamang, girl. Nahihirapan
No,
ako
no,
sa'yo.
I don't speak Tagalog. What is that language? I speak English only, you know.
Sure.
Ay.
Sure,
What
Gar. Sure.
I don't know the Tagalog language. What is that thing?
Oy,
Uh,
check na ako.
I think that is for peasant, you know.
Hey, Cookie, hello. Welcome to stream.
Yo. I'm
Ay,
gonna be a
putik,
DJ.
lumitaw na yung chat. Nice. There you go. Cookie fixed it.
I'm gonna
Hindi
do-
lumitaw yung chat ni Gar. What the fuck?
Kasi mod
Ayaw
kasi
sa'yo,
ako,
ng,
hindi
ayaw
ko-
sa'yo ng stream elements.
Hindi okay lang. Sino ba naman ako?
Galit ang stream
Oh,
elements
it's me?
kay Gar.
Who is me, guys? Who is me?
Who is you?
I'm
Okay,
gonna-
ito na ako.
Ah, sige. Go.
Hello guys, welcome back to the Honkai Star Rail Cheerlist Collab Episode 1. We're going to have the best waifu and husbandos in the game. We're going to arrange it in. My name is PC.399, your host for this collab. I'm joined by with. Introduce yourself.
Yo, what's up? It's me, Gorgeous. What up? Sound effect. Sound effect. I don't have sound effect. What does that will do?
Alright. Hi, yo, minasan. My name is Shomirai. I'm the Cheshire Cat. I just recently rebranded from Creator Sun. So yeah, yoroshiku ne
Shomirai.
minasan.
Okay, so in preparation to actually this is in preparation for a month, and I invited these two guests here to join me on our collab today. So we're going to show now the HSR Cheerless collab for this episode. For today, we're going to rank the waifus and husbandos in the game. So we have a total of 54 characters. I can't count all on the husbando side, but there's more in the waifu side. So medyo may advantage yung iba. So sino do you guys know Honkai Star Rail for now?
Yeah. But sadly, I'm not able to play it just yet. I was planning on playing it because it was part of my Donaton goals, but I'll just do that once I come back to streaming.
Oh,
play.
yeah, didn't happen. So here we have 6 cheers for today. So we're going to start with the up top tier first, which is the SSS, which is the best for husbando. By the way, Puka Yeshua and Sean Mirai will do the waifu side, while I'll go for both sides. Just to let you know.
I can do both sides too.
He
but-
likes both.
Yeah. I mean, neutral ako kasi main on gameplay talaga ako eh. So yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, so we have a triple S tier, which is the best waifu husbando. We have the SS tier, which is the basically love the character, but not the waifu husbando level. We have the S tier, which is you just like the character, nothing too much special. A tier, which is the here's of
Doesn't
me.
know Tagalog.
Just like
pero naintindihan
you
ko.
just want the gameplay.
I know, right,
You
Cookie?
didn't want to be alongside you in some explorations or something like that. Beach here, it's more on the collection side. If you ask me, you just want to get it, then it's gonna be stick down level 1 if you know what I mean. And then we have a special tier here, which is the X tier, which is the underage, which means we cannot use it on the tier. So
No, there's no Bailu.
yes.
Hmm.
Anyway, I will start first for the actually this is an alphabetical order already on the waifu side. On the I think this on the husband side, I think it's not because I arranged it first before we started. Okay, so first things first. We have Asta, so I'll show on my side the character.
Mhm.
Oh wait, that's not right one.
Finish-
Asta is
I
sorry.
finished my attack on Clash of Clans. Let's go.
Here's Asta if you want to see it. Nga pala. I gotta show the screen on the other side.
Oh shit, I
Wait a
should have
second.
said actually. Let me.
Wait lang.
Sige
Share
lang.
screen tapos
Yan.
where did my thing go? There you go. Yan. I'm sharing screen. So this is Asta right here. Yung mga fan arts niya. Here's the whole picture if you want to know.
Yeah, may take on the side.
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
haven't get the ayan. So ito siya on the this is on Honkai Star Rail by the way. I gotta play this one so you have an idea on what oh Scott shut up ads. There you go.
Shut up, ads.
Yan. She's basically this on the game.
Oh.
Yeah,
This is based on close beta test 1.
Dancer.
I already have her but I stuck on the level 60 because I don't have enough time.
Hmm.
A bit,
I want.
this will be
I want
sure
her.
enough, no worries.
I'm simping on her. Yung thing.
Oh, what the heck?
Oh!
I'm joking, C-Shock.
Okay, so wait for the wait for our ult. Yan, here's our ult.
Hearts are old, let me see.
Yeah.
CP. No raw.
Yeah, that's a
It's like a buff?
yes, that's a buff for all allies.
Ah, so
I think
she's like a support
Yes, yes.
lancer of some sort.
She is harmony.
Anyway.
She is on harmony path.
Hmm.
I
Which
think
is the
that's
support
enough.
path.
I think
Okay, so we're going to rate her now. I'll go first. So, as for me, she will be placed on A tier. For me, because initially when I played the first to play this game back on June, this is the first free character that we will get.
Hmm.
So, she's on the team for the past month. Then, when Capra comes out, she switched up.
Hmm.
So how
Yeah,
about your sides?
Mm, I'm not much
Yeah,
of a
first.
support actually, but maybe I'll go for 8 tier as well, because I sometimes like switch between support and I'm more of a tank user.
I might.
Interesting.
Hmm.
I
How
might
about
go
you, Pego?
for. I might go for B tier because I only use her because she has the speed buff.
Ay, you forgot the you nawala yung you got the cheers missing by the way. Got the cheers
What?
missing.
What do you mean?
Take the
What the-
details. It's on SABCD. It's on you can basically copy this. Triple S, double S, SAB. Then the
What?
extra. You have
Your side, girl.
But it is sa'yo, Chelsea, your side as well. It doesn't happen.
What?
Yeah.
I did. Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
Teka
Yeah.
lang. I did.
Yeah. Mani.
Choto.
Huh?
Sorry, stop start. You remember? wait, Choto. I did though. Wait. Sure.
Yeah. Yours too. Doesn't have, bruh.
Kasi based on my screen, it's on SABCD on your side, on your both
Same.
of your sides. While have 6 cheers, you only have 5. I just realized that.
Yeah, same,
No,
same.
okay. Sorry. Sige.
Same.
Let me restart.
I don't know how to
Okay lang.
edit this.
Yeah. Yan talaga lalabas. You can copy on the Discord then if you I'll
Ay.
give the details on the ano.
So
Ay.
SADB, tama ba?
Ah,
Ay, wala.
wala. You can edit it. 6 cheers siya total.
Dadagdag ko na lang. Sige.
The fuck? You didn't tell me. You didn't tell any words. What the hell?
Copy niyo sa screen ko. 6 cheers na lahat. We have time. No worries. We have time.
You tell me in chat, okay?
Can
I will tell you.
you resend the link again just in case, so maybe we don't have to edit it?
Because I'm too lazy to edit, you know. I'm a
Yeah.
lazy man.
Teka. I'll move the BRB stream muna para di maano.
Sige
I'm a
lang.
lazy man, you know. I'm lazy man.
Andali! Dang it!
And then let me put that.
Giga.
Your PC.
Dang it, guys. Wait. Ito. Lagay ko sa
Sige.
Ay.
Ano mo na lang.
Ay.
Send mo.
Why you do this?
Stream in chat table.
Okay.
Why you do this?
If wala pa rin, I'll just drop the details on the ano.
This stupid, there's nothing here. The stupid thingy.
Wala. I-copy nyo lang to. Copy paste nyo lang to.
You know? Yun yung gusto ko, copy
Wait.
paste.
I have to go to just chatting for a bit. I'm showing a lot of stuff on my stream. Shit.
Kaya nga naka-BRB ako eh.
Yamitik ko dasay, ah.
Doon ako sa
Kaya nga
just chatting.
naka-BRB mode ako eh.
Why you don't say any words, you know? You say words to I don't know.
Batukan mo
I don't
na lang
know.
yan, Sigaro. Pabayaan mo yan.
I don't
Yan.
know what is
Sige,
English.
add draw ka na lang doon sa last one. Add draw na lang kayo sa last one.
I don't know how to
Teka.
English, you know?
Let
Putang,
me-
bakit nagbabak tong putragisang tong hype na to? Ay,
Walang
may kaya na
gawa.
mag-back.
Ano mag-add ulit dito?
Yan, okay na yan. Okay na. Ito, yung click niyo yung set, yung cogwheel, then add a row below.
Ayun, sige.
Mabilis ang copy paste to guys. Putragisang tong hype na to. Ay pumindot.
Kaya kopyahin ko nga. Ang hirap. Wait lang.
Ang dali na mag-copy paste.
Ayan.
Pag
Edit.
magka-copy paste ka lang ng assignment ng kaklase mo.
Copy nyo rin yung color para di kayo magalituan later.
Sige.
I don't
Nandito
care.
sa screen ko.
I don't care about the color.
Kukulayan kita, Gar. Panahimik ka dyan.
The stupid tier list. Stupid,
C, ano tama ba? A, B...
Triple S, double S, S, A, B, then X.
okay, I'm
Wait.
done. I'm gonna copy paste the color.
Yan.
X.
This stupid.
Gagawin ko wala X, no?
What is green? I don't know what is this. I'm colorblind.
Green B, A yellow.
Okay na. Alright, it's fine. I got it.
No. Yung
Never mind.
triple S is red.
What is this? What is
SS is orange.
this stupid?
Second one, yung pangalawa.
This
Yan.
stupid. What is this?
Yan, S, yan. Tapos A is yellow.
Sunod lang. Okay.
Yan.
Got it.
Yung X lang na iba.
Yeah, ito.
Yung X lang na iba kasi blue yan.
Ito.
Yan.
I'm colorblind.
Ay! Ay.
Okay, restart. Go back, Asta. Go back here, okay?
Yan. Ano naman eh, try nyo naman eh, kasi nalagay ko na yung akin eh.
Okay.
Ito
Okay,
na lang
guys.
natin siya. Let's wait for Shormirai.
Anong
Yeah.
model ng auto mo, brother? Honda
Just-
Civic.
You can still call
Type
me
R.
Cheshi, you know, you guys.
I don't call you.
Nahihirapan ako sa inyo eh.
You are show my rice.
Ay nako, gagawin mo akong siomay, putang ina. Ay, wait lang.
Civic Type R, bro. Let's go. I tell you. I'm joking.
Ay.
No, I'm not gonna put anything there. I was about to plan something. Never mind. Okay.
Ayan,
Ah,
I'll return the stream. Return the...
sige, sige. I'll also share
Hello,
my
guys.
thing.
We're gonna restart.
Yan, is that fine now?
Wait, I'll restart. Watch stream plus... post on video. Okay, goods na.
Kahit yung ano lang, hindi ko nalalagay yung ano, comment ko.
So, no problem. Ayan, sa'yo na lang sa'yo na lang.
Hold on.
Hello guys, we're gonna restart shit. Okay, I didn't put mine. We're starting shit. Okay.
Ayun na,
Wait,
ikaw na lang wala! What do you mean?
I just put it was here, but I will it was here, but I put it back because
Jesus Christ, Gore.
but Asta, okay, Asta, subject is Asta, but I kinda like her because I only use her for support because she has the feedback, you know. Very good
Okay.
feedback.
Understandable. Okay,
Yeah.
so we're going now to the next one for the rifle side. We have Herta. She's the leader. She's the owner of the Herta space station. Guys know. I'll share this one. Okay, with the HSR. So this is Herta on the picture at this one. Yan siya. Tapos, ito yung like ko, medyo sus to if you ask me.
Huh?
This one.
Sus? I
This
like
one.
sus.
Jesse Monkas!
What?
This one.
Yeah. I
It's
want
not.
her.
It's
I know you're
okay.
kinda sus.
It's okay, I
And,
guess. It's not that too
Here's
much
our-
of a
here's our
sus.
idol. Here's our idol mode, by the way. Yan.
She's pretty though.
Tapos, I will show the moves.
I thought you were gonna put hentai or something there.
Oh my god.
No!
I
thought you were
misread
gonna
that.
I thought you were gonna put
No.
roll 64.
Wait. Asa na ba yun? Wala tuloy ako. God damn it, Jesse.
Hertay.
Wait. Bayan, nalimutan ko tuloy.
Gagi, baka malagay niya nga ano.
Gagi.
Baka malagay niya, nasa computer siya pala man yan.
Ring.
Basically on JPS. Yan yung ano niya. Ito. This one. Stop ads! Get out of here! And let's go for this one. Ito.
Okay.
Yan yung kanyang kill. Then here's the ult. Basically a huge time of gonna bonk on their heads.
Ooh, I like
Kuroro
that.
Yun yung Kuroro na tinutukoy nyo kanina.
Increases ice damage where unleash ultimate crit damage. Crit damage
Yeah,
increased by 25.
Yan yung ano niya, yan yung kanyang advisable na equipments to use.
Tawag ko dyan, ano yung artifact eh.
Artifact. Ba yun? HSR set. I don't wanna say so. You can watch that. Actually, this time, mauuna ka Fuka. Saan mo siya ilalagay?
Okay, guys. You know Herta, I like her. You know her. I use her a lot. What the fuck? Why is it raining? Wait, let me disconnect on the Minecraft because it's raining, you know.
Could you stop playing Minecraft while we're doing something
God damn it!
else?
I was AFK in Minecraft, but Herta.
Oh, interesting. SS cheer for Herta. I'll go next. I'll put Herta in S tier. I use her even now for the follow-up attack usage. She is basically paired with Himiko. That will be explained later on.
Is she tanky somehow?
No, she is erudition path, so not that tanky, but she can deal damage to all enemies in your skill.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Though I
yeah,
kind of like
Coraline.
her. I like her ult though. Plus the crit increases. So.
Yung
Hmm.
relic set niya yan, if she quits her relic set na nakalagay doon sa video, she will
Mm-mm.
be she will be back of course. But yung skin ng pinakita ko kanina, that's the just the moveset lang.
I
Yun
think
lang.
I'll put her on double S. I love her. I love her. I might use her a lot if
Oh,
ever I do play Honkai.
maganda to ah. Okay, so well, since no one go on Ospando's, I'll go. I'm the only one who do that. So the first one on Ospando's side that we put is Arlan. So Ar
Oh my
so
god.
I'll, so Arlan is the security head of the Herto space station. Wait, move list.
I am it.
So
What the
so they both opted to not to uh not to do Osbandos, but I will ba yun? Be move set list. Yan.
Hmm.
Yan, so this one. Medyo mahaba to, so I'll just
Hmm.
Eto. Yan, so introduce yan. Yan yung yan yung secretary. Ito siya. Medyo matagal nga lang kasi 4 yung gamit.
Who's that? Ay, wala yan. I don't like
Yan.
him. That
Yeah,
guy
sa
sucks.
husband side naman to which is ako lang mag-isa. Pero kita ko lang sa inyo para may idea kayo.
That guy suck.
Just like
Honestly,
them.
for me as well, kasi sinunod siya for collection, for early game, for beginners talaga.
Hmm.
That guy suck my balls.
Is it
Shut
like
up!
is it like
up!
like in Pokemon, like beginner Pokemon, something like that, or collectible
Yeah, beginner characters, yes.
game characters?
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Okay.
for the husband side, I'll put this on just feature. Feature lang siya for me. So, basically the lowest one.
Hmm.
Aside from the other age one. Okay, so back on waifu side, we're now to Bronya. At
Oh, I didn't tier list that thing, that shit. I'm gonna tier list that shit. Ay, never mind.
where's the
I don't see him though.
this asan na ba yun? Ito. This one. Where are you?
Bronya.
Asan yung skill nito? Dang it. You know what? Abang yanan natin to. Yan. So, basically, Bronya is the Supreme Guardian
Mhm.
on after the Bellbug story. Saan ba yun? Yan. So, basically, her mother is a former Supreme Guardian that will be reach on the main story. Story 2, yan. So she uses support. She's Harmony Path. While Sila here is a Hunt Path.
Oh.
Yan,
Ooh.
there's backstory. Yung isa si Coco Olyaran. So Bellabog March, ito yung ultimate niya. Parang nagsusummon siya na parang isasama niya yung mga soldiers on the move.
Hmm.
Actually, you know what?
Bad.
While we're at it, I gotta open my HSR para kasi may almost all of the characters I already have.
Alright.
God damn it! Not again! Hindi talaga nila ina-update. And so iba-iba yung mga skills eh. So meron siyang agree. So meron siyang ultimate that can give support to all allies, speed to be exact, and critical damage. The skill that immediately enhances the advanced action. Parang titira agad yung i-summon agad. Ito yung
So,
kanyang image, by the way.
So,
Yan.
nantitira pala siya.
Ito siya.
Hmm.
Ito yung niya. Tapos, on the gacha, it's this one.
Ooh.
Teka, medyo malabo ah. Pero on the band, ito para mas maganda. Ito. Yan. Yan siya.
I like her art style though.
Yeah, ito yung sa light cone. Siya to. Because she is the commander, Silver Knight Commander, to yun. Then lastly, ito yung post niya for the ult. That. As you can see, yung ult niya, sinabi ko kanina, attack and kick damage. Like, she can boost everyone.
That's actually kind of nice, though. I like how she looks. I like how she looks, though.
You haven't seen the more of it. Ito yung form niya before that. Ganyan siya. Ganyan yung ano niya, yung weapon niya. Okay, so tapos before activating the ult, ganyan yung post niya. Itong side na to. Medyo malabo lang.
We can't see the ult itself. I mean the video.
Yeah, wait lang. Hanapin ko nga kung meron.
Take your time. Or
Ult
just to chill.
showcase. Yan. Surely meron to.
Meron naman
Oh,
yan.
there we go. There we go. We have it. Ito. So basically, win difficulty siya. And
Oops, sorry, hold on.
sige. Ay, kaya pala, naka-YouTube share pala ako. Yan. Funny enough, pag naka-close up siya, pero pagka may kasama siya, pwede siyang mag-action advance ang kampe.
Ooh.
There you go. And so, medyo random na yun natin eh.
Not gonna lie, I'm liking her. I'm liking her actually. She might be on my waifu list.
Oh!
I don't know. I just like commander types.
And
Strong
just in
women.
time, it's your turn. It's your turn first.
Guys,
I have no-
yep, she's gonna be my waifu.
I have nothing to say.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. She looks. I don't know. I just somehow like get the vibes of her personality. She's like that strong woman kind of gal. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll be next. So on my side, Tobaless. Because I'm still even using her for some teams, especially sa need talaga ng mga action advances. And kapag pag siya lang mag-isa, yung kanyang position as a Supreme Guardian, hindi niya magawa pag nasa idle mode siya. Yung naubobo siya, di na pinagawin niya sa public. Wait lang, get game, oh my god. Ang tagal nito.
Lahat kasi double browser ang nakabukas sa akin.
Okay, so ikaw naman Fuka, saan mo siya ilagay?
So, brownie.
Oh! Game 4, pick it up, Triple S, let's go. Yun yung mga picks nito. Okay, so we're moving on to the next character. So next one, eto na-mention ko na kanina, we're going to have Sila next. So basically,
Yes.
funny story,
Yes.
I'm
Yes,
on
Sila.
I'm on the voice actors Discord, which is si Molly Zhang.
Oh really?
Okay matulad sa kanya pagdating sa gacha pooling. Why? She's laging siyang talo sa 50-50.
Ah, dang.
The recent niya, 8 50-50s in a row. Talo siya. Oh my gosh. Eto.
Let's see. Oh, she holds a sight too.
Eto. Yan.
Sile.
Ito
I also
Sila,
like
Sila.
sight users too, actually.
Sile.
And
Silver
you see
main.
this kasi
Oh.
may bonus attack siya pagka siya tumira.
Oh.
Pag malatay niyo yung isang kalaban, pwede she can deal one more damage. One more attack.
Oh, nice.
Medyo malabo na naman.
Oh. I think I'm liking her as well.
Yan. Ito yung ult.
Ult.
Ang ganda. Mati, please step on me. Step on me.
Yeah, there's an additional attack.
Can you step on me, Mami,
This enemy, she will gain 1 extra turn. Oh, cool!
And
On
the thing is, this is the very first character, 5-star character released on Honkai Star Rail.
Step
Hmm.
on me, Mami.
Step
Mo-
on me. So no, not gonna lie, I like her as well. Because aside that she uses sight as well, she gains an extra turn. So that's kind of
yeah,
cool.
that's
I like those kind of characters where you gain like an extra turn. You know.
Mm. Okay, so I believe it's right turn to rate her. Ah, wait. Ito ulit. Palitan nila. Sakto yung ano niya eh. Ulit eh. Di siya kita masyado, pero it's all sides talaga yung tira niya.
Hmm.
Okay, so we'll go back to my turn na. Sila is also double S. Kasi sadly wala akong Sila. I don't have Sila on my team. But I really wanted her because of the Hunt Pad. A Hunt Pad basically deals a massive damage to a single enemy.
Oh.
Ganun ang kanyang ano.
Hmm.
But honestly speaking, gusto talaga siya kunin. But I can't. Ang daya. Okay, Fuka, your turn.
Sile, I want her to be my wife, but
Oh!
because I lost 50-50 to her, so I'm gonna put her S tier.
She's hard to get, I guess.
Hard
to
Okay,
get.
Like my-
Fuka plays the game, ha? Punta ko yung sa game,
Yes.
so may Ray doesn't.
Like
Para
my
info lang
crush.
natin.
Pinaasa.
Yon, sila yung may crush.
Just like my crush, pinaasa.
Pinaasa.
Yeah.
Hinugot pa nga. Naghugot
Ganun yan.
lines pa.
Uy, ano yan, ano yan, applies na sa lahat ng dyan sa ST, ha? Paalala ko lang.
Yeah, I don't care.
Oh, kas! Okay, your turn, Chessy.
I want to put her
Kita,
wife.
kita.
I want to put her wife, but
Naka-minimize siya sa'yo, eh.
if the ultimate was like overall like AOE, she would be waifu, but I'll put her on double S. Wait, sorry, you're not seeing my end. Okay, hold on.
Yeah. That's what I meant.
Sorry. Good man. Yeah, you can see it now.
Yeah, good.
Okay, I'll just put her on SS though. If it was like AOE, the ult, she would be the perfect waifu. Aside that she's
Oh.
holding a sight and all that.
Interesting.
Mm.
Okay, so we're going back to Aspando side. So the next one is actually the one of Ronya's subordinates, which is Jeopard.
I don't,
The
I
thing
don't know who that
is,
shit. I don't know who's that shit.
the thing is,
I will throw that guy.
Maraming gusto nito nung first one.
Cause me, you actually like that dude.
Eto. Wait lang. Get out of here.
Ads.
Yan. Ay. Eto.
Ay.
Yan.
I don't know that guy. Who is that guy?
So, Jeopard
Hmm.
is a silver main commander. So, second in command siya kay Bronya. So, ito yung moves niya. Yan siya.
Shield to all
Pero
allies. Okay.
Yeah, shield to all allies na ba siya? He's following the path of preservation. Ito yung
So-
sinasabi mo mga tanking heroes.
Okay.
I want her.
Ayun yung mga idolons niya.
I will throw
I have
him in
Jeopard
the...
at A1 right now. Na-ins nga ako 2 beses ako natalo sa 50. That's literally bigay. Pero ang pinamarami si Clara. Okay, ito. So ito natin yung kanyang movesets.
Let's
Yan.
see.
So wait lang. Medyo matagal to kasi daming
Ano
nakasunod
si Jeopard? May Jeopard pala ako. What the fuck? Okay, guys. I know where to put that guy.
Ay. Ito yung ito yung ult.
Bulwark. Enjoy Bulwark. Okay.
Ayan. As you can see, nag-drop siya ng shield.
That guy suck.
She can
Suck
place
balls.
enemies then.
That guy suck my balls, you know? That guy suck my balls.
Hindi. Since waifu side naman kayo lahat eh. Ako naman both sides eh. So, goods naman kayo.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, so...
But hey,
so,
don't diss tank heroes. I use
No,
tank.
I have it. I will
Yeah,
put him.
meron sa Japan. For Japan, this will be on H here for me. Yun lang naman sa akin.
I have him. I will put him underage because he suck. I lost him to 50-50 because that guy. I lost to that guy. I want him. I want Selly, but I lost to this shit. Well, how do you delete this shit?
Wala eh, nandiyan yan kasi complete na yan.
I will put him here.
Okay. So next one will be yung kanyang sister, which is Serval. We're going to Serval next.
Excuse me.
That
Serval.
guy suck my balls.
Wait lang, hanap ko lang yun, ano. Hanap ko lang yung tamang...
May
Eto.
konting issue. What the fuck?
Ito. This one.
Ah.
So, ito yan sa Serval.
Who
Siya
you?
naman yung sister ni Japard, and she's on erudition path.
Okay, if
Mahilig siya sa rock and roll if you notice yung weapon niya.
if
Ooh.
I can have her, I can have his sister.
Hey!
Hey,
Rock and roll.
Puti na 80 plus ako mo, double kayo. And ito yung ult. Skill
What
pala,
did-
sorry.
What did I
The skill
do?
can damage to 3 enemies, by the way. That's a blast skill.
Oh,
What
nice.
the fuck? I just noticed you guys streaming for 15 hours. What the hell?
Huh?
Sino?
Sino?
15. Both of you. I was on you guys on Twitch 15 hours.
I don't know. Twitch is like weird that way.
Oh,
Yeah,
wait,
you
wait. Naabutan niya yung ult,
Hindi pa
Yeah.
Can you
I
actually
can-
get dark kasi? Tang ina na, I'm trying to watch.
Dash ulit.
Alright, sorry na.
Sheesh. Rock and roll.
Yes. She's basically loves rock and roll.
Can you rock on me?
Okay, so we're going to rate her now. I'll show my... Mauuna ka, Fuka this time.
Go.
Hmm.
Ikaw mauuna,
Okay.
Fuka.
Okay, since I use her a lot, like a very a lot, but I want, a lot, and I want her to rock on me, I will put her here or here.
Double S, okay.
Hmm.
So, Chelsea, ikaw naman.
Maybe I'll go for...
Hindi ko kita, by the way, Hindi ko kita.
Yeah, sorry. Come in. I'll put her under S perhaps. I just like her, I
Let me-
guess.
Let me mute the stream.
Okay, so for me naman, I'll switch back here. Okay, Serval is HM.
Sorry.
HM naman siya sa akin. Although I used her when I was starting playing HSR, like 1 month. She is one of the erudition characters that also has nihility. Kasi nagbibigay siya ng lightning damage, lightning DOT or damage over. Anyways, we're going now to the next one. Eto na. First, ito yung first abundance character natin. We're going to showcase Natasha.
Okay.
That guy suck.
Guy, girl yan! Ano ba naman yan?
I'm joking.
Baka kasi di niya nakuha.
Nah, I got this.
This is 4 star.
Hmm.
Tanggalin ko na nga to.
Oh,
It's like
what's
my
going
crush
on?
nasa lang
Oh,
niya.
laging. Computer shop. May nanonood.
Oy, Oy, yung may-ari nanonood ng Bold. Tama nakakanood. Sigaw ka nga dyan.
Shut up! Ito. Nakawa na.
Tama nakakanood ng Bold. Gi-stream kami.
Kami! Ikaw, Gar, hindi ka nagsistream.
Shut up!
Kayo lang, wala kayo.
Inaanap ko kung nasa yung moves eh. Bakit wala dito? Saan na yung
I think
niya?
it's insane
Ito,
burst
ito.
heal. Yeah. I think that it's that one. I don't know.
Hindi, ni-roll ko nga kung nasaan siya eh. Wala eh.
Ay, hindi, ano lang yan? Parang relics lang yata or parang build lang.
Oo, yun nga yung ano ko eh. Natasha HSR mode. sure na makikita na to.
Lagay mo kayo skill showcase.
Ito,
Ayun
ito,
yun.
ito.
Okay.
Ito, okay, top. Si Topokip pala, hanapin ko dito.
Dapat,
Inantay ko mag-download to, yan, tagal eh. 45% pa lang eh. Yan.
gunner.
Yes. Born shotgun siya. Parang mini Ito matindi for abundance characters.
Mini lag.
If you use skill, ano mangyari? May healing kampe. Plus the spell. Tapos
Healing
yung
for
ultimate,
everyone.
What
yan.
the fuck? You're not rocker
Kaya na
era.
lang. Also, wag kayo mag-poskin bigla. Anong ko na iniisip nyo?
Okay, magpo-post ako bigla. Na-post
Shut
ko.
up! Anong ko na iniisip mo? Yung talent, by the way, if 30% na lang yung below 30% na lang buhay niya, mag-heal siya sa sarili niya.
Oh, okay.
Ito ang pup naman ako dito. Natasha. Ito naman ang kanyang check ko to. Ito naman ang kanyang yung kanyang mga poses yan. Ito yung sa ito yung sa old kanina. Kasi ito yung sa ito yung sa kanyang banner. Ito. Yan. Yun
Okay.
Asan ba ba? Ito yung ito yung pose bago siya mag-stay sa old. Ano siya? Kasi nakita niyo naman, babarilin yung teddy bear which is on the right side niya. Which is andun yung pang-heal. Okay, so I think that's it. Your turn, Cheshi.
I guess I don't know. I think it's meh for me. I don't know. I don't feel her. Sadly.
I don't feel this.
So,
Katabi siya ni Jeopard. Yung sa side mo katabi siya ni Jeopard. Yan.
ayan. I'm
Okay,
just gonna put meh.
I put
I don't
Jeopard
feel it.
index.
Yeah, baba mo yung mga spando sa baba. Yung mga bales sa baba. Yun yung for me, 8 years siya. Kasi, I use her a lot. Pero di ko nagustuhan yung kanyang mga arts. Pero yung skill I usually like because healer siya. Okay, let me see. Okay, so switch muna tayo sa Spano side. I gotta go back here. May nagbabakal gilid ko. We're going to switch to Luca.
Luka? Who's that guy?
Sa Spano naman to, so good sa Spano. Get out of here, ads! Get out!
I haven't rate my fucking that girl. I will rate her. I will put her here.
Ay sa'yo? Sa'yo? SG, okay. Yeah,
Because I only use her for healing.
Yes. Yan naman yung kay Luca. Which is, ako lang naman mag-rate dito eh.
Okay.
I don't know who's that guy.
She's following the Nihility path. And siya is one of the wildfire members.
Isak.
Ganyan yung kanya moveset before tayong combat.
Isak my balls.
Eto talaga, masasabi mo talaga manununtok ng balls. Kasi, tema naman
Yeah, you can-
kasi boxer to. Boxer
Brawler.
He can
Yeah.
he can go down on his knee and suck my
Ayan,
balls.
ito yung enhanced skill.
God, what the actual fuck? Anyways.
Yeah,
Wala raw sa A.
sa'yo. Kahit okay. Pero di mo pa nakikita yung ult eh. Hintayin natin.
Sabihin mo na sa D.
Baka X. Ito yung niya.
Paano yung ulti niya?
kanyang skill.
Paano yung ulti?
Ito yung skill niya.
Ulti.
Ito yung skill. Binato yung kanyang Nanap ko yung ult eh. Ito ba?
I want ult that guy that thing.
Ito.
Coup de grace.
Ito.
I'm gonna like him if he has ult.
Let's see some sparks fly.
What is his ult?
Yan. Yung bigla siya basta kasi naka-charge yung rocket eh, ganyan no?
Yes! I like him. Okay, I like him.
Is it like
Because
stunned?
of that.
The ult?
No. Yung kanyang skill is she deals physical damage over time for 2 turns.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so since nagbigay ka na, mauna ka na
Hello?
ikaw na mauna din sa info ka. Saan mo siya ilalagay?
Sino siya?
Oh, ikaw, di ba nga nag-rate ka bigla? Dapat ako lang naman.
This guy? This guy? A.
A3 siya sa'yo. Okay.
I like his
Alam
ult.
ko si Chelsea G man sa bagaan eh.
Yeah,
Pero-
I'm not gonna. Yeah. I'm just curious about the
Why?
skills though.
Why?
I only rate waifus, okay?
Yeah,
I-
HA naman
I
sa
only-
akin. HA naman sa akin si Luca. Okay,
I
back to
only-
waifus now.
Hey,
Nako,
go both.
nako. We're heading to the under.
that guy, that girl is very you know, very underage.
No,
I cannot
not the first one. Yung
Ah.
dalawang
I cannot
kasunod, automatic na yan.
I cannot simp Bella. I cannot simp. So I'm gonna.
She's
cannot
not
think
underage,
Bella.
ah. She's not underage. Ako na nagsasabi.
She's not okay.
Medyo maliit lang daw siya.
No, I'm.
Medyo maliit
Okay,
lang.
I will simp.
She
I will
just.
simp. I will simp. I will simp. I will smash. Smash.
Ito. And dispel, tapos yung ult.
Ultimate niya yung malupit eh. Malupit
Ano?
yung ultimate niya eh. Yan, baka Rocket Launcher.
Oh, she's just small. She's just like creator.
Yes.
Rocket
Yes,
Launcher, boy. Let's go. I like her.
Ayan, ganyan yung ano niya. Okay,
Yes,
so,
yes, step
kanya-
on.
ang
Can
kanya
I-
namang ano,
Can we read the skills actually? I'm curious about the skills for her.
ayan, ito. Nandito naman eh, di ko pa lang sa Switch eh.
One buff deals at each but all enemies.
Yung skill niya, pwede siya mag-debuff. Kaya niya
Yeah.
mag-debuff. Etong ultimate, pwede siya mag-defense down to all enemies.
Alam ko debuff. Dati debuff yung ano niya, ultimate eh.
Oo,
Debuff din eh.
ninerf siya. Tapos ano siya, following na siya na patok na agility, which is mga damage over time character.
Oh,
Kasi-
nice.
Kasi nagamit ko siya lahat ng enemy nag-debuff. Unang gamit ko.
Okay, I will go first this time. So, alright, sure, balik ka dito.
What
I will-
did you say to me?
I will go Pela to S. Sure siya.
What did you
Although-
say to me?
Although level 50 lang siya for me, pero kapag minax out yan, magiging malakas.
Magiging
She-
halimaw
she
yan.
Stronger.
So,
Your turn, Cheshi.
Jessie. Shimurai.
If ever the case that she does
Alright.
gets maxed out, and you mentioned that she goes way stronger, maybe I could use her, so I'll put her on S as well, maybe. Yeah.
Show my right.
So yeah, maybe she's gonna go for S for me.
Show my right.
Your-
Gameplay
your turn.
wise,
Gameplay wise, yes. Pero wipe was right, ano talaga?
Ella.
Sa'yo naman ano, buka.
Pela is, since ninerf nila si Pela, is tier sana.
Saan
ang
nga eh,
dapat
kasi, di ba, noong 1.0, naging clue siya ng debuff. Debuff na, debuff
Yes.
din dispel yung ano.
Kung sino
Pero
yung
ngayon, down na lang.
kung sino yung magiging target mo sa ultimate niya, siya yung magdi-debuff para lang
Oo.
siya per skill niya. Pero lahat ng around niya madadamage. I will put her on S tier for now because of that nerf, because she doesn't have 2 debuff. If she has 2 debuff, I might put her on S tier, double S, but I will put her here because of that.
Okay, so next one, understandable to, pero, you know the rule 34, di ba?
Fucking hell no. Shut up.
what?
Nah.
Wait.
We're not talk
Forbidden
about that on
Ah,
stream. No.
Clara! I saw her whenever.
Do not talk about that on stream, okay?
yeah. I won't.
Pero ito yung
No.
kanyang ano, pero ito yung kanyang moods, don't worry.
Yeah,
Para nila.
She's a robot. I like the robot.
Yeah, the robot's cool.
Oy! Ace na! Sana all naka-ace no?
Sana all.
Mura.
Ayun,
Alright.
Black, welcome to the stream. Ito yung ult, ito yung matindi yung ult. Kaya ako nasabi ng alternative.
Matindi yung ulti nito eh. Parang child abuse.
Yes, I know.
At
Child
ang ganda ng
abuse.
ulti niyo.
For example, matag yan. Tapos, yan, bigla siya nga follow patak.
Follow up. Easy. Child abuse.
Well, we know where we're going to put her, right?
Yeah, I'll put her
Okay.
underage. I don't. I'm sorry.
She is so underage.
I'm
Alam na,
sorry,
alam na.
kiddo.
But I use her a lot because she is tanky.
Mm.
Oh, she's tank.
And,
Yes, she's tank.
Hmm.
And plus,
sila yan.
plus the cyborg is
Mm.
very useful when there's an enemy is very low and you use her ult and your team died and you can attack that. Yeah.
We should just
I
actually
like-
just sim for the cyborg instead of.
No.
Yun nga eh.
I will put her on A because of the
If
cyborg.
it was the cyborg, I would put it on SS. But the kid,
Oh
no.
I'm joking.
Yun nga
Just
eh.
under A.
Pero kung Cyborg side, SG siya. SG siya for me.
Wait lang.
For me, SS, because it's the tank.
Yeah.
Can we copy paste her? So we can have both.
Actually, meron pang isa eh. Wait. Where am I here? Okay, meron pang isa na parang underage talaga.
Who?
One of the cursed ones in the
No,
game.
that's hook. That's hook. No,
We're about to
not
go
hook.
there, actually. We're about to go there, so don't skip. Okay, never mind. You just already did, so alright, go for it.
But hook suck. But
Ito lang may papakita yung ult lang naman.
I just want to
Because
see
alam
the
naman
skill
kung
though.
saan
The skill
ilalagay.
is, yeah.
Pero nagustuhan ko lang.
Ultimate.
Nagustuhan ko
Is
lang
she a
din yung
tank
ultimate.
somehow? Or
No. She follows the path of destruction.
Mm.
She can deal damage to 3
Everyone.
enemies. Hindi siya everyone. Unlike Lara na kaya niya skill niya, kaya niya to all enemies. Ito 3 enemies lang.
Ah, okay.
So obviously naman sa natin siya ilalagay, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah.
I
Plus,
don't.
don't,
Yeah. Yeah.
plus I don't even like her, to be honest.
Why does
Okay, so-
why does her hat somehow look like Creator Sun's paper bag? Honestly. Did you see
Nah.
that? Just look at it. Look at it.
I don't
Real
like-
close, Gar. Look at it real close. It's like Creator Sun's hat. I mean paper bag, right? Am I right? I'm right. Am I?
Okay, so
Anyways.
we're going now to switch muna tayo for a bit for the husband side. We're
Yeah.
going to showcase Danhang. One of the Trailblaze the Astral Express crew.
Hmm.
Dalawang sides niya which we will have the Danhang the normal one and the Danhang Imbiber to Lunade.
Mm.
Ito yung kanya. Get out of here, ads!
Ads.
Yan, ayan siya. Ito yung kanyang second form, which is the Imbiber to Lunay.
Mm.
Para si ano yan, yung sino ba to? Yung character na base model na character.
Ayan.
Guys,
Yan yung kanya.
parang base model na character niya, si
Oh, I like the skill though.
sino ba yun?
Looks pretty powerful.
Yes. You can enhance the basic skill up to 3 times using the skill.
Wait lang guys.
Cool.
Sino ba yun yung base model niya, yung spear?
Yung Danhang lang.
Si Danghang yan. Siya
Yun
yung,
yung normal. Ito yung second niya, which is Imbiber to Lunay.
Yeah.
Whew. The skill,
Yung
damn.
pinaka-dabis.
Ito yung kanyang almost ito yung ult niya. Pero iba yan. Ito yung sa story quest.
Yeah, sa story quest mo lang siya
Oh.
magagamit.
I like the ult though.
i-spoil mo na
Not
siya.
gonna lie, I like the
Tapos
ult.
Hindi mo in-spoil. Yeah, the spoiler.
Shut up! Wala
You
na magagawa.
spoil it.
We're at the spoil anyway.
You spoil it. You spoil it.
Normal, it's just Asa na ba yung normal? What the heck? Where is it?
Ilagay mo Danghang.
Di ba yan? Yan.
No, not. Wait, ito.
Yan.
Ayan no.
Wait lang natin.
Puto yun ng yan. Ads yan.
Wait lang, hinanap ko lang.
Grabe naman yan na makamuro ng malakas.
Ito siya, sa dulo.
Ba't nandyan si ano?
Si ano yan eh, yung
Ito yung
Bebarin.
kanina, yung Pela, Bronya. Yan yung gamit yung Sting niya.
Si Creator yan. Joke lang.
Creator yan.
Ito siya.
Ah, ayun nga.
Ito yung Bronya ult, yung sabi ko kanina.
Waifu! Waifu chan!
Ito.
Yan
yung
na,
ult.
yan. yung
Kasi
pinaka-base model niya.
Oh,
Base
ayan
model
nga,
yun.
ayan nga. Yung parang first
Base-
form, kumbaga.
Base model tuloy, ano yung kotse?
Yan.
Hmm.
Yung... I mean, it's kinda low
Honestly,
key.
the second form is like way stronger compared to first one.
Ayun sa danhang yun. Tayo nun.
Hmm.
Okay, so we're
Yeah.
going to... So, technically, dalawa ang i-rate natin dito because So, we have Danhang. Ito yung sa Spando side naman eh. Danhang, which is the normal Danhang, I'll put on a B tier. While the Imbiber to Lune, S tier. Kasi ginagamit ko talaga to eh. Lalo na kapag ano eh. Especially on the harder bosses.
Why you say N-word the fuck?
Okay, so we're going to the next one now. Let's see kung meron pa ba ito. Okay, we're going to Astronaut Specs muna ulit. We're going to March 7. Eto, kayo na mag-guska kung ilalagay niyo sa Android or not ah. Kayo na mag-guska.
Yun yung makulit na ano eh. Makulit na
Ito, by Quack. Like, get out of here. Yan.
That's
Yan yung mga relics na ginagawa. Basically, Quack is a content creator din. Nagbibigay siya ng shield to allies. Tapos, shield that
Wait lang.
palapat ako na
Wait lang guys, wait lang. Pwede ulitin mo yun, yung parang may lumabas na ano.
Ay,
Logo.
edit yan.
Edit ba yun?
Edit.
Akala ko skill talaga, lupit oh. Oh.
Edit yan. Pero yung skill niya, pag may sumira ng shield niya, she can do follow-up attack.
Akala ko bawat atake yan eh.
Hindi.
Dati, di ba?
Pag matak ka laban, as long as may stacks pa siya, pwede pa siya tumira. Ito yung ult.
Shit. Shit.
Hmm.
What the fuck? Ano yun? May narinig ako N-word. Ano yun?
Kaya nga hinanaan ko eh.
May narinig ako N-word. The fuck?
Kaya nga hinanaan ko eh.
What the fuck?
Dalawa ang i-rate natin dito. We have that, the preservation path yan. Ito yung preservation path. While ito ang hunt path.
Dalawa
form
pala
niya?
natin, ano?
Yes.
Dalawa form na niya?
Yan,
Oh
ito
my
yung-
god, I
Ito yung
want
reset. Ito yung reset niya, which is from 2.4.
Please step
Oh.
on
Dalawa
me,
i-rate
mommy.
natin.
Please step on me.
Ito
I
yung
want-
naging ano na siya, naging swordsman siya ng Shanzo.
Ano ba yan?
Hmm.
Parang story quest lang siya.
No. We can use her.
Wow, you can get her like...
Yes, for free by the way, for free.
Wait for free.
Oh,
Really?
okay,
Cool.
okay. I'm gonna install Starry right now to get her, okay?
2.4, kailangan mo lang magano ng 2.4 story quest, that's why. Matagal.
It's easy. I can use skip.
No, you can't use it. You can't.
I can use space. I use auto clicker.
What? Yutang ina mo garo ko to
I use
clicker.
auto clicker. I always use auto clicker to
Ay nako.
shit that.
What's her
Holy
skill
shit.
though? I wanna see her skill. I only
Inantay ko
bait.
pa nga eh.
I want her.
Ito.
I want her. Give me her.
Yan, yun yung technique, ito yung skill.
Parang ano lang yung shield yata yun. Ay, yes!
Tapos kapag may kasama siya, pwede niyang gamitin yung ano. Wait, this is the enhance. Ito yung enhance.
My god. Oh, shit. I don't think... Ako.
Gar.
Ito yung ult.
Ano si the ult? Ult.
Ang cute.
Oh my fucking god. I want her right now. I want
She
her.
reminds me of Alice. What
Please.
the hell?
Yeah,
Ito
shit.
yung ult. Ito yung skill. Yan, magiging ano niya. Yan yung
Wait lang.
Wait lang, replay ko. Yan. Kapag, yan yung skill, kapag inabot niya yung ano, kasi magiging...
Milk tea.
Boba yan eh. Boba.
Milk tea.
No, boba yan eh.
Si
Boba.
Alice. Oh, boba.
Wait, wait lang. Bakit parang naaalala ko si Creator
Alice.
San yun?
Si Alice yun, loko. Parang nga si Alice. Mahilig pa naman si Alice sa milk tea.
Para si Alice yung yung style ni Mark 7, yung niya second form. Promise.
Okay.
Mm.
So, we're going to rate two characters here. So, ito yung Preservation March 7.
Ito ba yun?
to, yung blue. Lalagay ko siya on S tier. While the hot, ito isa, I'll put this on double S. Your turn, Cheshi.
Okay. Ako... Wait, nasan siya dito?
Yung may blue, yung far right, katabi ni Danhang.
Eto, no?
Yan
I
yung
think
yan
it's
yung una first
on-
vote. Preservation. Yung may nasummon na ano,
Yeah,
may
this one.
nasummon na
Oh, ito yung first preservation. I'll put her here. It's a little bit of meh, but when she becomes second form,
yan,
she's
yun sa
a little
baba.
bit better, so I'll put her on S. She reminds me of Alice.
Yeah.
Oh, the
Honestly.
system Cheshi. Anyways, Apoka, your turn.
I'm gonna put the base mod with the base form because I hate the base form because he keep dying, like she die a lot.
She looks
suck.
weak. Honestly, yeah, I agree. She looks a
The
little bit
suck.
weak at the first
She suck.
form.
She suck. Okay, she suck because she died. But her second form, she
That's not the one. That's not the one.
that's
Sa
not.
pinakababa.
Ayun na yun,
Pinakababa,
there.
bottom left.
Baba.
What the-
Ayun.
Ito.
Not
Here.
that. Pinakababa. Yan.
Okay.
Yun.
I thought this is him. This girl is, I don't know what the fuck is that.
Mamaya pa yan natin i-discuss.
Okay, I will put her because she is a sword she turned into a sword
A
woman.
dual wielder.
Yes. Yes, a dual wielder.
Kirita.
She-
Naging Kirita.
Yes, she's a dual sword girl. I like her. And I like her skill, and you get her, what the fuck is that? And you get her for free, okay? I'm gonna put her S tier.
Yeah.
And she's like Alice.
Yeah,
Okay,
she
okay.
is.
Alice is my idol, by the way.
Yes.
Don't worry, she's
I'll-
still alive.
Don't tell Alice.
Don't
by the way.
worries. Babay just soon.
Just don't tell Alice, okay?
Okay, so continue with the Astral Express vibe. We're going back to Husbando side. Ito ang tinutukoy nila na tatay ng
Tatay
ng
ko.
Astral Express.
Tatay.
We have both.
Okay,
The
time to
daddy.
download that
I mean,
game. Time
Yeah,
to download
yeah,
that game to get there.
Ito. Get out odds. Yan. Ito siya. Ito yung back on CB. Ito yung close beta test pa lang to. Kasi meron siyang early access.
Honkai.
Honkai
Honkai
Impact 3 to be exact.
Yes,
Oh.
Honkai. Oh yeah, I remember him playing on Honkai Impact 3 though.
Yan, ganyan yung ano niya.
Oh, Toyota Spider, what the fuck?
Ay, sa ano yan sa background music ko ata yan. Yan, ganyan yung ano niya, yung traces niya. She's following the path of Nihility and ang kanyang damage over time is imprisonment.
That guy suck.
Well, not technically. First of all, di ko pa siya nakukuha, pero yung light ko nakuha ko.
That guy
Ah.
suck.
Ito. Ito yung skill niya.
You think
Yan,
everyone
lalagay
sucks,
ka.
Gar?
Ako lang naman magre-rate dito anyway. Pero kung gusto mo sumama, okay lang naman. See? Imprisonment agad.
Lunes na pa. Bukas, excited na ako pumasok.
Yan yung skill niya, ay yung basic attack. Tapos,
Okay.
inanap ko yung kalaban niya, by the way. Okay, i-passport ko rito. Ito naman ang skill. And nagbawalan sa 3 beses. Ito yung ult.
Yun lang. Sino perceptive?
Black hole.
Who is my first subject? I don't know who
Okay.
you are.
Okay, so ay, mali pala yung nanok kaya pala. Yan. Sorry ah. Nagkamali pala ako ng share tab. Kaya pala di mo na makita.
That guy suck.
Sorry. Yan.
Gar, just rate the husbandos as well while you're at it.
No, that guy suck.
Explain mo kung bakit mo lagay dyan ah. Okay,
Suck my balls.
okay, so ito ang ano, ito sa for me naman, ang lalagay ko siya sa A tier. Although
Suck my balls.
di ko siya nilalagay, di pa siya nakukuha, but his skill is useful enough on events.
What the fuck?
Okay, going to the waifu side, isa na lang natitira sa Astral Express. Ito talaga familiar. Ito mamamukha mo nito masyado eh. We're going to
Sino?
Himiko.
Himeko?
Himiko, hindi ko kilala yan. Di
Himeko.
joke lang.
Oh.
If you
Wait lang,
play
guys.
Honkai Impact 3, alam nyo na kung nangyari dito before.
Yun yung ano, yung sinasabi
Mami.
sa akin ng ex ka na ano,
Ito siya.
na may lumalaki raw sa kanya, may lumalaki.
Where's
Pero
my...
this time, ang
where's my
gamit naman
model?
niya,
Where's my
ano,
model?
yung
Wait,
She's a fire.
I wanna...
fire and erudition.
Can you make her stand for a bit? I just
Nah.
wanna make my model a little bit smaller and go beside her.
Nah, I will send you to the Jesus. I will send you to Jesus.
Ayan, ito yung material niya. So, as you can see on the bottom left niya, meron siyang talent if he deals break the spray 3 times, may isa pa siyang attack.
Follow up
Ito
attack.
yung ult. Ito yung ult.
The ult is
Hashtag kape
open.
moments. Ito yung follow up. Ito yung follow up attack.
Yeah, give me him. Kanaya Himiko.
You guys already know where I'm gonna put her.
Oh no.
Yes.
Natin.
Mame.
Ito yung attack. Basic attack.
Normal. Yeah, she's gonna die. That guy is so stupid to play.
Ito yung ult ulit. Para ma
Oh.
What the fuck did you say?
Hmm?
Yung may narinig ako sa background, kupal daw.
Kupa daw.
Mauna ka Fuka this time. Mauna ka.
No, let's chase it first because
You already know my answer. So, definitely I'm smashing her. Where is she? Where Doko?
Dulo.
Toto no.
Yes.
Mommy, you're mine.
Oh no.
Wait.
Ikaw Fuka.
Mommy.
Mga bubay Joyas, visit kayo.
Triple S na yan.
No.
No. Meron pa isa.
Wala. SG pa ako.
Nalagyan ko
Uy,
to.
Mang Tomas,
tayo,
hello.
Ilalagay ko smash. Di joke lang.
You playing crab game on Shelly Model. Dito na okay lang, welcome back.
Pero
Uy,
for me, SG naman.
Ngayon na ba?
I use her a lot on the XP farming. But kasi
We're na-collab though. Pero what time? Ngayon na ba? Mang Tomas, I could join if this collab ends early.
Para lang siya tinira.
Meaning ko,
I'm down naman, I'm down. Kung online pa kayo hanggang mamaya.
magkakasa na sila matak.
Pero lamusta na, Mang Tomas.
Dalawa
Kamusta,
silang meron
man?
may follow-up attack.
What mo
Ang
ko tawagin girlfriend ng girlfriend?
50% below
I'm
HP
pink.
na
Girlfriend's
kalaban.
orange,
Yun yung
man.
puro-puro na tutukoy ko kanina. Okay, we're going now to...
Wala na, erect na siya.
Guys,
Oh.
guys, may good news ako, guys.
But anyways, yeah,
Ano naman
we
yun?
are
Bago ang lahat, good news.
tier listing
Pinakopya ko
waifus.
ng classmate ko ng assignment. Go!
Pero hindi, pagka online pa
yun,
kayo, let me see
We're
if I can
going
join,
now
ha?
to Shan Solopu.
Down naman ako
Alam niyo
eh.
na kung ano mangyayari sa first character natin. Alam niyo na mangyayari. The Dragon
open
Lady of Shan
class.
Solopu.
Oops.
Pero papakita natin yung skills niya. This one.
She looks like small crater, son. What the fuck? you guys know that Crater has like a smaller Paimon version, right? She looks like that exactly.
Emergency food.
Yan, ito siya.
She's just emergency. And it has a tail. That's cute.
Yeah,
Siya isa sa mga Bidyadara, siya yung Bidyadara Elder. She calls her the Dragon Lady.
I think she's 99 years old.
Yeah, she's old.
Pero, alam niyo naman,
She's not underage. She's 99 years old, you know?
Yeah,
Like,
but her,
yeah.
Puka, what the fudge?
No, for me, it's a no. Plus, she looks like Crater, so Crater's kind of like my mom, so no.
You
Oh,
stop
yeah,
siming. So you're gonna sim on what the fuck?
No, I'll pull her on underage, so it's a no for me. Pass.
Wait guys, wait. Before lahat, can you pause the video and show us how old she is?
Putang ina mo, gusto naman ng tuta.
Grabe naman yung mura na yan.
Gusto mo na malaman?
Yes, I want to know.
Yeah, come on, we could go for the lore. We can like, you know.
I want to know her age. What is her age?
Honestly, she
hinahanap
looks
ko nga
like
eh.
Creator.
Bawal na
Emergency
magmura.
fund.
Utang na.
Ito yung kanyang banner, by the way.
Hmm.
Ito yung banner niya.
18! 18! What the fuck? Look, 18. Look at that. 18.
18.
It's not 18 mo, ka-W.
What the fuck?
What
If
is
she's 18, I'm gonna put her on S.
No. What the
Ewan ko ba
hell?
Ewan ko ba dito ba't ginawa ng Bulgo doon? Pero mamaya pa to isa. To. Yan.
18! 18! We are safe! Let's go!
Oh god, no. I'm putting her on underage or
We are safe,
if there's a
guys, we are
no,
safe.
no.
We are
Oh,
safe, guys.
She's cute, sure, but she reminds me of Creator. She's like, I just want to bully her.
At ito na yung skills.
You know why I like her? Because of her skill. Look.
But I want to see her
Look
skill,
at
yo.
this
What's
skill.
her skill?
Ay, ito nga pala.
She
nalimutan
just
ko.
wags her tail, like just like that.
Yan, ito. Yan. Yan yung technique,
Hydration.
then ito yung skill.
Mm.
Ang skill niya, she can heal 3 times. 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
3 beses.
okay. But does she
Tapos-
heal like other player? I mean
Yes, yes,
other
yes.
members? Yeah, okay.
Yes. Ito, heal to all allies plus invigoration. Pwede heal over heal parang damage after damage
Healing
parang
overtime.
automatic heal.
Mm.
Healing overtime na.
May hindi nadagdag dito eh. Ang isa niyang additional kapag namatay yung isang kampe, kaya niyang i-revive.
Ah,
Yeah.
cool.
Oh,
You can revive it one time.
Revive.
siya lang nag-iisang taga-revive as of now.
Ah, that's nice. That's actually useful, you know, as a support.
Pero